This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide or show the home button in the Waterfox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Waterfox web browser opened up now. To hide or show the home button in Waterfox, it's very easy to do. If you look off to the upper left hand corner, you can see I have no home button up here. By default, your home button is probably not enabled, but to enable it or disable it, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says More Tools and click on More Tools. Then you'll go to the very top and click on Customize Toolbar. Now in this page that opens up here, you want to look through all these icons here for your home button. Mine happens to be right here. I'm going to grab it, hold down the left mouse button, and drag up here while holding down the left mouse button, and I could place it anywhere up here basically. I'm going to let go of the left mouse button. Now there is my home button. Now to remove the home button from the toolbar, all you need to do is right click on the home button and then go down to where it says Remove from Toolbar. And now as you can see, it is gone. That is how to show or hide the home button in the Waterfox web browser. Thanks for watching.